welcome back to my channel. Today we are making easy and simple homemade hamburger. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And for my returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your support. I appreciate. So we are using salt, garlic, ginger and black pepper just to season the meat. All you need to do is just to add a pinch of all the spices, just a pinch, so that your beef will not come out salty. You can get this in any supermarket or you can make your own at home, but to save time you have to get it from the supermarket. Same with the other side. Don't over season it or don't over put salt. You can easily make this at home if you don't have time to go to your favorite eatery to get your hamburger. Just make it in convenience of your home. So after seasoning, time to cook. Is it cook or bake? Add butter to your pan. This is grilled pan. If you don't have grilled pan, you can use fry pan. Add the beef and cook. So I'm going to turn the other side so that it will be well cooked. I don't want to eat raw meat inside my burger. Continue to flip until it's cooked. Please, if you like my video, share to social media and promote my video, please. And please guys, join my membership, and I have a membership. So you have to press it like this. You can see how the juice is coming out, so that it will be well cooked. So press with fork down. Please cook on low heat so that it will not get burnt. So we are almost there. It is almost cooked. It's cooked. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn up your notification bell so that in case I upload a new video, you will be notified right away. Thank you and God bless you. So our beef burger is ready. This is our hamburger bread. You can also get this in any supermarket. Toast your bread. So I put 4 inside this small grilled pan. So the space was too small for the burger. So the space was too small for the bread, so I have to remove 2 so that I will toast it very well. It's not yet ready, so I still have to put it and toast a little. Please, on a low heat. You don't need high heat of cooking beef or anything, just low heat. So it's ready. So 2 or 3 tsp of mayonnaise. You can use your eating spoon if you don't have measuring spoon. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 tsp of mustard cream. And mix everything very well. Combine everything together. Yummy! See how creamy and beautiful it's looking. So creamy and tasty. You have to try this at home, okay? So put on your piping bag, but if you don't have piping bag, you can just put direct on your burger when you are dressing it. I only do this to make it very easy for me. See how colorful it is. So time to dress our delicious homemade hamburger. So place your lettuce leaf. Depending on how many you want, I only use one each. Place your tomatoes on top. If you don't want tomatoes, you can use onions or you can use cabbage. So this is our cream. Put your cream on top. So add your cream and add your cooked beef. So this is cheese. Add your cheese on top. So I add more cheese because my bread was big. But if you are using a small size of bread, you don't need 2 cheese, just add 1 each. So add more cream to it. You need this cream for this burger. Place your bread on top. Ta-da! Your homemade hamburger is ready. Very easy, quick to make at home. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Please share on social media, please. That is a way of promoting my video so that I can have more view. Let's cut it and enjoy. Bon appetito. You can add more cream if you want. Wow, so beautiful and yummy. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos. I have a lot of good videos. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Stay tuned.